practically it was burnt. Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're here at this other house that we're gonna be demolishing, and I want you guys to come see the house right now. So let me tell you about this one. This one has like a fine of $100,000. If we don't remove this property right now, they would charge us $100,000. It's better just to remove it for $5,000. I think you guys will agree. You guys can hear that, but right now they're demolishing the property. I think I'm gonna show you guys a video of it closely. Demolish this house, guys. And this one practically burned down. And we're just giving you guys a tour because it's gonna be gone. Look at the tractor right now. Look at show the tractor. Look at that. It's destroying everything. That tractor is mad. The tractor is in the house. Okay? So this is a good thing because if we don't remove it, I told you guys it's a bad thing. So the city called us and we just need to remove it, and the permits take a long time, but it's part of the process. Look at that, guys. Come over here. This is not a good property. It's not made of block. It's wood frame, so, and I don't like wood frame property. That's why we're tearing the property down, because it's not blocked. The thing about this property, guys, is you always have to check that you claim title. No lien. Always check if there's no liens, no codes, and or else you'll have to be dealing with this for a long time. So we're gonna wait here till they tear down that wall or wall over there. I just want to see that happen. That's what we took. The houses that have code violations, we tear them down. So guys, back. We want to go get some lunch. Follow me. Look at the house. I mean, it's not a house anymore. It's more of a demolished house. And he did a good job at just destroying the house. Yeah, so the city made us, we had to put these black fences here, so we don't have to destroy anything that beyond that. And as well with the tree over here, we had to put the red lighting or the red fence here for the historic tree. But I don't see anything historic about anything here. They wanted to keep that tree for some reason. When it's, I don't know what's special about that tree, but the city wanted to do that, so look at that. I just want you guys to see what it's supposed to look like. With the concrete needs to get removed. Everything needs to get removed from the ground. Doing the demolishing, said that there was a rat infestation there. I don't know. There's a lot of rats in there, so I don't know what's inside there. But yeah, we're gonna be throwing all of this away, and it's gonna be ready to be sold and to the right buyer. But yeah, this took maybe like 3 hours, 4 hours to do. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of rats. I'm not gonna be in there, so let's go.
Do you see one? Really?